kakayanin ba na ibalik pa si dati?
Wala na yun. Tapos na yun eh. Tapos na yun.
So,
It's a done deal already.
So,
It's there already.
regardless, sir, dun sa decision...
May hearings na yun doon eh. Continuing na hearing. I think there's judicial notice that the hearings are ongoing already in The Hague. So, and there is a setting for September 23. So, we rely on that.
So, sir, kahit na maglabas ng decision ang SC dun sa mga petitions na pinay...
That's speculative. I cannot answer anything speculative at this point.
But for you, sir, mahirap nang ibalik, hindi na maibabalik? Ano po?
It's a done deal. It's there. Ando na siya. Tsaka sabi niya na mahaharapin niya yung charges. I think that he has repeated that to all of us. Lahat tayong Pilipino, narinig natin na sinabi sa atin ni dating Pangulong Duterte na haharapin niya ang kahit na anong paratang sa kanya, kahit sa ICC. Kaya yun na yun, ando na siya.